Artificial intelligence is transforming the job market faster than ever, and 2025 is the year to jump in. But what does it take to land those high-paying AI roles? Let's break it down. Some of the hottest AI jobs right now include AI engineer, machine learning specialist, data scientist, and AI ethics consultant, each requiring a unique skill set but sharing a common foundation. 1. Programming. First, strong programming skills are crucial. Python is the undisputed leader, but knowledge of R, Java, or C++ also counts. You'll need these to build and optimize AI models. 2. Machine learning and deep learning. Next, understanding machine learning and deep learning techniques is essential. From neural networks to reinforcement learning, these skills let you teach machines to learn and adapt.